It is the first time that as a pensioner, I am facing the humiliation of not being able to afford paying for municipal bills. I have served my government for 20 years, and I do believe I've been loyal and I gave my all as a communications practitioner. And it doesn't sit well that when you are supposed to be enjoying your twilight years, you are having a situation where you're competing. Your municipal bills are competing with your need to sustain yourself, to be able to live properly and eat well and pay for transportation, pay for internet, pay for other expenses other than the municipal bills. When you try to engage other people to live with you as tenants, the cost goes high and you don't feel that it's worth the inconvenience of having other people in your midst, because comfort matters and being able to enjoy your space constitutes comfort. So when you are prepared to sacrifice that and share your abode with or your residence with other people, it must be worth it. If it's not worth it, then you excuse them and you are left to the humiliation of knowing that you are not a meaningful contributor to your local government's revenue, simply because of overcharging, especially the price for electricity. It would seem that there is an urgent need for research into the status of customer satisfaction, and we find sustainable solutions, because there are complaints, particularly here in the city of Pietermaritzburg, KwaZulu-Natal, that there are people who are perceived as belonging to previously advantaged communities, like people who come from city suburbs or who have been residing in the city center, and they are believed to be better off, and they are rightly or wrongly believed to be in a position to pay, and that's 30% of the residents of Pietermaritzburg who are paying for the rest. That's originally. Obviously, there are attempts by ESCOM to reverse that situation, and even though it might not sound good, but it does include disconnections. It does include demanding people to make contributions towards electricity consumption. It's ongoing, it's painful, it's informed by a history of a new government of the majority of the people of South Africa, who came with the promise that the mass electrification drive will benefit the people. They will be able to enjoy free electricity. and that obviously was a trade for the vote, for support. So it is unaffordable for the few to pay for the majority. And ESCOM is a national project. It doesn't benefit, its income doesn't benefit the city. So there is obviously competition between ESCOM and the city, because the municipality is a middleman. They source electricity from ESCOM at their markup and then sell it to us, the consumers, the residents, the property owners, the tenants. And that situation then forces the city to sell the electricity at a higher price, because they also have to make money